my channel. It's your girl Brandie Channail coming to you with another video. This one is a quick little video because I need to get this box back out, but it's gonna be my Stitch Fix unboxing for the month of March. I'm super excited to bring it to you as I love to see how someone else would, you know, style me. Me being a stylist, it's really interesting to see how other people take the information that I give them and interpret that, and what they interpret that to mean as far as my style is concerned. And so it's always interesting. So that is one of the reasons why I love getting these style boxes, just to kind of see. Y'all know I'm still on my no buy. I'm not gonna lie, I've had a couple of struggles. It's really been hard for me not to shop. I'm not gonna lie, I'm not gonna front. And I went a full month without spending any money, and at the end of the month I was like, okay, you did great. And I can't even lie, I think something happened. I think I was stressed at work or something, and I, you know, decided, oh, it's been a month. I haven't really been, I haven't shopped at all, but I haven't really had the desire to like I normally would. So I feel like I'm good. Let me go ahead and take a look at a few things. I ended up shopping one day. I'm so grateful that I did. Let me be clear. I'm so grateful that I did, but I didn't like the way that I felt afterwards, because I felt guilty kind of, and so I'm back on it. So again, this is just going to be until I feel a release from the Lord, not just when I feel like it. And so with that being said, I'm still on my no buy, so this is going to be interesting, especially if there's something that I love or that I want to keep. We'll see how that goes. But let's go ahead and get into this video. Before that, if you like my hair, this is a wig. This is from Arabella, and I will link the video up here. I love this. I love this natural situation. It looks good. It feels good. I feel super secure in it. I love it. So, but without further ado, oh, check out these new glasses. Y'all, I have been living, breathing, sneezing, all the things in these glasses. They are giving me life. These are from fytoo. A video will be coming soon regarding these and a couple more styles that I have. I will link these down below if you're interested, because baby, I have been living my best life. If you follow me over on the gram, you would see I posted a picture with these already, because I just love them that much. And y'all know when I'm testing glasses and when I order my glasses, I wear them before I bring them to you, because I wear prescriptive glasses. So I want to also test that the prescription is good, the anti-glare and all that is good. So these, baby, these are a winner. And also just my makeup. This would be what I would wear as a no makeup look. If you were interested in seeing something like this, let me know, because it literally took seconds. Well, let me not be extra. It took minutes, but you see, it's giving what makeup. Anyway, this is not about that. Let's go ahead and get into this box because I'm excited. Okay guys, so here is my Stitch Fix box for the month of March. I'm glad to report that at least this month the box is not open. The tape is not coming up, so we good there. I'm glad, because the last couple of boxes, girl, they've been coming like halfway open and I cannot. But let's go ahead and see what the people have for me. Now, this tape is very thin, so it's not, you know, I don't even need scissors to get into it anymore. I just rip the thing open, child, and it comes right on open. Of course, you guys know you have your return envelope that they send with you, your envelope with your goodies, the prices, and your personalized correspondence from the stylist and why they chose your items or what items they think would go well together. So there's that. And here are my clothes, and it looks like I got a pair of shoes. I'm excited because this box is small, so I'm excited to see kind of what they put together. I did let them know that it's spring now. Hello, spring has sprung. I don't know if it's officially the spring season, but times went forward yesterday, so it's spring, baby. And I let them know that it's time to start switching up the kind of clothes that they're sending me out of the winter into the more spring, then transitioning into summer clothing. And so I told them lots of active wear, tennis shoes, and things like that I would appreciate. So let's see what they took from that. Okay, first thing is first, this was on top. This is just like a, I guess it's like a little sports bra. It's ribbed. It seems like it's really like restrictive. Like it seems like it's gonna hold you all together, but it looks very small. Like, girl, what? Like, can I get into this or not? Like, this is little. This is size large though, child. I don't know. But this is from the brand FP Movement. Oh, Free People Movement, I guess. So I like this color. That's really cute. We'll see how that goes. Then I also got a pair of shorts. These are like some biker shorts. These are from the brand Beyond Yoga. I actually love biker shorts. I actually just thrifted a pair of gray biker shorts. They're not this dark. They're much lighter, like more like a heather gray, but I don't know that I need both pairs, but we'll try these on and see what we feel about these. I know Beyond Yoga is pretty expensive, so we'll see how that is priced and see, you know, what they talking about. Okay, so here, this next, this I love. Like, I love this. This I'm here for. I know that I said I wanted spring things, but for me, spring is light sweaters. I would still wear puffer vests in the springtime because it's spring. It still gets chilly. It still rains. It still does all the things. So for me, I feel like fall, winter, and spring, you could really have the same wardrobe for the most part. It's only summer that you have to break out a completely different wardrobe, in my opinion. But this sweater is everything. I love it. It's super light. And then the cherries are like a more textured knit. This is from BB Dakota and Steve Madden. I actually love this. Like, this is adorable. I love this. I love this. Okay, so so on the back, here is one of the cherries, and I don't know if you can see this, but the thread is like coming out. I don't like that, but I love the texture of this sweater. That's really cute. Next is a pair of jeans. These are from Studio Blue, and I actually like Studio Blue jeans a lot. I've thrifted quite a few pairs of them, and I really do like them. So, and I love a good distressed jean, and sometimes the more distressed the better for me. I don't know, I just really enjoy that look, especially if I can throw on tight underneath and just have my stocking peeking through or whatever. I love that. So these are super cute. And then last but not least, they sent us a pair of shoes. So let's see what these are and see if we can throw a whole fit together. Oh, okay. So these are actually really cute. This is like a canvas style sneaker. It's not quite white. It's like an oatmeal. It's like an off-white color. I do like this. This is really cute. This is from Tom's, the brand Tom's. Size 9. So we'll try this on. I think that we could try this on with the jeans and the sweater, or the jeans and the little crop moment. So let's see what we got when we try this on. Okay guys, so here is the yellow top. I actually really enjoy this. I actually like it a lot. The size is good because it is tight enough where I feel like the compression is there, but it's not like cutting off my circulation. I love the color of this. It is not like, I don't think it will do as a sports bra alone. I don't even know that this is a sports bra. I think it's just a cropped top. I am not busty, so I can get away with not wearing a bra with it and not looking too bad, you know, but if you are a heavier bust, you probably would want to wear a bra with this, like a strapless bra or something like that. But I do enjoy this. I like the way it fits. I love the color. I actually enjoy the ribbing. I typically don't like ribbing, but I don't know who I am now. I actually do like ribbing. I'm starting to enjoy it and see kind of what everybody else likes about it. So here's this. It is pretty cropped, but I have on the shorts that they sent, the Beyond Yoga shorts, and they are super high-waisted. So they actually meet and there is no skin showing in between the two. So I actually like that a lot. And this is definitely something that I would go work out in. This is something that I would go running in. This is something that I would do some yoga in, some stretching in. I think it's very, very nice. It's comfortable, not too unflattering in any way, in my opinion. And so yeah, I like the top. Here are the shorts. Can you see them? I like them. I like the color of them. I love how high-waisted they are. Like, that is really, really, I love that. I like the color. I already said that. I already know that this brand is pretty pricey, so I'm probably not going to enjoy the price point of these, which I'm not going to buy them anyway, but I think they're probably going to be more expensive than I would be willing to pay for a pair of biker shorts. However, if this is your thing, if activewear is your thing, I think you'll enjoy these, especially if you enjoy a nice high coverage, high-waisted type situation. I feel secure. I feel like I look good. The color is dark, so I feel like you won't have any like camel toe situation, and even if you did, because the color is dark, it's more disclosed. And so yeah, I think these are really great. I like them a lot. I think I would definitely, this is something I would wear to the gym for sure. You tell me what you think about it. And okay guys, here are the jeans. I just kept the crop top on so that you could get a good look at the jeans and see how they fit. I actually enjoyed this fit. There is a bit of gapping in the back. I'm used to that because my thighs are big and my waist is a little bit smaller. So typically if they're gonna fit my legs great, they're usually gonna be a little bit big up here, which I'm not really too mad about. I love wearing belts, so that would be something I could easily fix with a belt. But this is just to show you actually too how cropped the shirt is, and then the jeans. So I love these actually. I would definitely, if I wasn't on a no buy, I would purchase these jeans because I like them. They fit me perfectly. I feel like this is my kind of jean. I would throw this on with a heel, with a sneaker, with a leather blazer, and be out the door and be super, super comfortable. I love these actually. The wash on them is perfect. The knee distressing is right at my knee, so that's perfect. I really enjoy these. Let me know what you think in the comment section below. Aren't they cute? Okay guys, here is that sweater. It is super cute. It's pretty cropped. Well, I say pretty cropped. It's not cropped in a way that you could like see my stomach, but it's a shorter sweater. It's super, super light. I like that a lot. I would definitely, this is actually a sweater that I feel like you could wear in the summertime too because it's so light. It's really quirky. It's really cute. It reminds me of Betsy Johnson's brand. This is something that I like. If I saw this at the thrift store, I would pick it up and buy it, no hesitation. But would I buy this retail for any large amount of money? Probably not. Like, but this does speak to my personality. It's quirky. I love this. This is super cute. It's right up my alley. I think she did a great job at picking this for me because this is definitely something that I would wear. But yeah, I would want to thrift something like this. I see things like this at the thrift store all the time. So to pay retail for something like this is probably not likely for me. But the style of it, it's perfect for spring in my opinion. Perfect for my style. I think she did a great job selecting this piece, 100%. And it even looks cute with these jeans. So yeah, I would wear this for sure. Is my hair like flopping? Okay. Yeah, but I would definitely wear this outfit together. And you can see like when I move a little bit, it is cropped in a way that like your stomach's gonna show. So you wanna wear probably an undershirt if you're gonna be moving around a lot, but if not, you're good. This is not, I mean, it's flattering as far as the fit is concerned. It's not too form-fitting. It's not uncomfortable. It's not itchy. I love it. As for the sneaker, these are super cute. I did try it on. It's a perfect fit. I love that it has this suede in the back because that's really comfortable on my heel. These are really, really cute. I would wear these. I would buy these. Tom's seems to be, I think Tom's is typically a pretty fair price point. We're gonna see the prices here in just a second, but this is definitely my style. Y'all know I love a good Chuck. I'm a Chuck Taylor girl, or you know what I'm saying. So I would throw on a pair of Chucks with any outfit. My white ones with this would be super, super cute. But this is something that is similar to that style of shoe, so I would definitely wear this. I just tend to gravitate more towards like a Chuck Taylor type of shoe. I don't know why, because they flat, child, they ain't got no support. They hurt your feet sometimes. Like, I don't know why I love Chuck so much. I just really love the way that they look. I just really, it's my shoe. If I was a tennis shoe, I would be a Chuck Taylor, period. But these are cute. I like these a lot, so I would definitely wear them. I think she did a great job picking these out as well. Let's get into these prices, honey, in this note and what she said, because I'm curious to know. First, we'll read the note, then we'll get into the prices. It says, "Hi, Brandie. It's spring Can I talk? Oh, okay. Hi, Brandie. It's a spring fix day. Well, almost. We technically have a minute until the season officially begins on March 20th. It's a great time to get your closet prepped. I restyled this fix with springtime colors in mind. I added some fabulous activewear as requested, and also threw in some fun light denim and a sweet sweater. The BB Dakota x Steve Madden Cherry You Up sweater is the perfect piece for the winter to spring transition. I do agree. It'll bring some much needed brightness to the leftover gloomy winter days. Wear it with your new studio blue denim and the Tom sneakers. I thought you might like these jeans after taking a look at your Fix inspiration board. Now that we have a start, I'd love to know what else I can help you find for your springtime wardrobe. Keep me posted. Best, Liz. Liz, I think you did a great job. I think that you are right on the money with this sweater. I think the same things. You're perfect with these jeans. I love that you listened to what I said, and I think that you actually sent me the things that I asked for and that I said I was looking for. So kudos to you for that. I appreciate that 100%. Yeah, I think she did a great job. So yeah, I don't really think there's much more to say about that. Let's go ahead and get into these prices and tell you what I would or would not buy based on the prices. So the Beyond Yoga high-waisted performance shorts are $68, and no, she would not ever pay that. No. Not for biker shorts, no. Now when I just thrifted some for like $3. Like, no. The Studio Blue Frankie mid-rise distressed light blue denim, they're $66. I probably would pay $66 for them because I really do like them, but I thrift those often too, and jeans are $8 at the Goodwill, so probably maybe not. I don't know. I do have a couple pairs that are similar to this that I thrifted as well, so there's that. Next is the Free People Movement by Free People ribbed free yellow shirt, whatever. It's $30. It's cute. Would I pay it? Probably not. And it is actually a shirt. It's not a sports bra. So no, I wouldn't pay $30 for a cropped shirt because I bought them from Ross for like $7. And last but not least, the Tom's Alex Canvas lace-up sneakers in off-white, $59.95. I would pay that. So there's that, you guys. I think she did a great job. The total amount for this box was $301.95. If I was to get all 5 items with a 25% off discount, that would be $75.49 off, which would bring my total to $226.46. I think that was a great box. I think she did a good job. Would I pay $68 for the biker shorts? No, I wouldn't. But I do like all the items that she picked, and I think that they spoke to my style personally. So I think she did a great job. Let me know down below what you thought of this box, and let me know what you think about Stitch Fix if you're wanting to try it. Keep in mind, I always have my referral link down there. I'm not affiliated with Stitch Fix, but if you want to try it, go ahead and use the link, and it'll give you $25, and it'll also give me $25 for referring you. So, and you'll get the same referral link when you sign up if you want to refer your friends. So keep in mind, that's a great way to earn some points and get some free stuff as well for you. So if you guys are interested, I always link down below, and I always link the about stuff about Stitch Fix down below for you to read about. So that's it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Please make sure to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Check out my latest video, my little, what was it given? Hidden Figures hair wig moment. Check that out. I'll link that up here so you can see that. And then again, this Arabella wig that I'm wearing right now, I did a video on it probably about 1.5 years ago, and so I will link that one as well. So you guys have a wonderful spring. My kids are on spring break right now, so if your kids are on spring break, y'all have fun, spend family time, take care of you, love on each other, and be good to one another, and be safe out here in these streets because COVID is still real. I love you. We'll see you next time. Bye.